Don't cry, my dear. She just didn't see you.
Congratulations!
Hooray! Access these. Beautiful. I love it so much.
Welcome home, my dear. Our new life begins now.
Sleep now, my little one, safe in your bed.
Please hurry! My wife is in pain, Tat. We need to get her to the doctor.
I'm right here with you, son. Everything will be fine.
We made it home. Mother, I brought your milk. No, don't go near him. I just wanted to help.
Side.
Yay, let's go! Hush now, sleepyhead, the road is long and bright. We're driving in the sunshine, everything's alright.
I'll go to the car to bring some fruits.
Okay, we'll be waiting for you. My little brother is still asleep. Come on, it's coming! Mommy!
Thank God, my baby is safe. Thank you for saving my baby. From now on, we are